Alright, let's quickly consider this question. It says, which of the following options is the dimension of acceleration? Remember, before you be able to derive the dimension of any quantity, you must know the fundamental quantities. What are fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities are those basic quantities where other quantities are derived from. So these are some of the fundamental quantities. Mass, represented by the letter M. Length stroke distance, represented by the letter L. Time is capital T. Now, I want to derive the dimension of acceleration. You must know the formula for acceleration before you be able to derive the dimension of acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. So one can say it is velocity divided by time. So if you look at this now, the formula here, time here is a fundamental quantity. That one is correct. You can easily substitute capital T here. But velocity is not here, meaning that velocity is not a fundamental quantity. Therefore, we must derive the dimension of velocity first before we substitute it here to get the dimension of acceleration. Are you there? Now, velocity is equal to displacement. Remember, velocity is displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by, because velocity is a vector quantity. Now, displacement is almost the same thing as distance, represented by the letter L. So we are replacing this displacement with L. Divided by what is time? Capital T. Therefore, the dimension of velocity is L stroke T. This is the dimension, or we can write it L T raised to power minus 1 because of this stroke. Now, we've gotten the dimension of velocity. Let us substitute it here to get the dimension of acceleration. Therefore, the dimension of acceleration will now give us, dimension of velocity is L T raised to power minus 1 divided by T, capital T. That small t here, which is the time, is capital T. So I'm replacing it with capital T. Before I get the answer, remember to like, comment, and share. Therefore, the answer will now give us L T raised to power minus 1. Because of this, remember the power is 1. Since there is no number here, the power is 1. So whenever a power is crossing a division sign here, it changes to minus. Therefore, the dimension of acceleration is L T raised to power minus 1 minus 1 will give us minus 2. This is the answer. From here, and I think the correct option is option D. Thank you so much. Bye.